Insert screwdriver into the bottom of the excess flow check housing. Compress the spring and attach the vice grips as shown. Always on the top of the stem, not on the bottom. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then use a 3/8" socket to remove the lock nut. And replace the spring with the new one. The new one will be painted yellow. Grab a new washer and a new nut that's supplied with the springs and replace them in reverse order by clamping on with the vice grips on the upper section of the stem. And use a 3/8" socket to tighten it. You want to tighten it all the way down so that the washer doesn't spin, but no further. And remove everything. If you have any questions, please call us. 800-537-5642.